Okay, we saw that we have two measures for angles, radians and degrees. And to convert from degrees to radians, we multiply our degrees by pi over 180. And to go from radians to degrees, we multiply by 180 over pi. So given these angles, they're given in degrees, how do we get their radian measure? Well, we do exactly as it says, we multiply by pi over 180. And we have 45 into 180 goes 4 times, so this is pi over 4 radians. How about 60 degrees? Well, we multiply by pi over 180, and that's pi over 3 radians. 30 degrees, 30 times pi over 180, it's pi over 6 radians. And 180 degrees times pi over 180 is just pi radians. These ones are given in radians, so let's convert them to degrees. And to convert to degrees, we multiply by 180 over pi. So pi over 10, this is radian measure, multiplied by 180 over pi, and I get 18 degrees. 3 pi over 4 in radians, I multiply by 180 over pi, and I get 3 times 45, which is 135 degrees. Minus pi over 6 radians, multiply by 180 over pi, and I'm going to get minus 30 degrees for this one. And 5 pi over 6 radians translates to 150 degrees. Okay, so that's our translation from degrees to radians and radians to degrees. We also need to think about angles which are larger than 2 pi radians. And an angle is said to be in standard position if it's drawn so that its initial side is the positive x-axis and its vertex is the origin. And two different angles might have the same terminal side. For example, here we have 3 pi over 2 as terminal side, this red side here, that's our 2, that's our 1. It's in standard position. And also minus pi over 2 has the same terminal side. And this can happen in two ways. Either one angle is moving counterclockwise and the other is moving clockwise, or else you might have an angle which does more than one revolution, which covers more than one revolution, and this would end up having the same terminal side as an angle with less than one revolution. So here you see the angle pi over 2 has the same terminal side here as the angle 5 pi over 2, which is one full revolution plus another pi over 2. So in this situation we say that these angles are coterminal. Also, all of the angles we showed previously are in standard position, and this is very important to put angles in standard position. Later, when you see how to use the unit circle to calculate trigonometric functions, it's very important that the angles be placed in standard position as they are here.